Today, let us see the specifications of the HP Victus gaming laptop. The model number of this laptop is 15FA1317TX. The features of this laptop are: it's a 13th generation Intel Core i5 laptop which uses mobile processor 13420H CPU. Display of this laptop is 15.6 inches or 39.6 centimeters. This laptop comes with Windows 11 OME edition. This laptop has a dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX GPU chipset. The weight of the laptop is approximately 2.3 kilograms. This laptop uses 13th generation mobile processor from Intel Core i5 family. Speed of the CPU is 3.4 GHz. It has 8 cores and 12 threads with 12 MB L3 cache. We can increase the CPU speed up to 4.6 GHz with turbo boost. This laptop comes with a dedicated GPU which uses NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 chipset. It has dedicated memory of 6 GB GDDR6 dedicated RAM. This laptop will support maximum memory of 16 GB with 2 slots. We can install 2x8 GB RAM. Memory type is DDR4 3200 MHz RAM stick. The memory can process up to 3200 million transactions per second. HP Victus comes with a single slot M.2 SSD. We can add up to 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. This laptop model comes with 1 TB SSD drive as a standard configuration. HP Victus laptop comes with the 15.6 inch or 39.6 centimeters with 144 Hz display screen with an aspect ratio of 16:9. This laptop has 82.23% screen to body ratio. Supported resolution is 1920 x 1080 Full HD display. Display panel is IPS anti-glare with 250 nits. For better visual experience and sharper image quality, this laptop uses 720p HD camera with temporal noise reduction. This laptop also comes with integrated dual array digital microphones. Audio for this laptop is by B&O with dual speakers to give high quality audio. This laptop also comes with HP Audio Boost. HP Victus has a dedicated RJ45 interface which supports speed of 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps, 1 Gbps speed. This laptop has a wireless card which supports Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.3 versions. Let us see the ports which are available on this laptop. On the right hand side, there is one USB Type-C port which runs at 5 Gbps signaling speed. There is one RJ45 Ethernet port which support 10 Mbps, 100 Mbps and 1 Gbps speed. One HDMI 2.1 interface. One USB Type-A port which also support 5 Gbps signaling speed. One USB Type-C port which supports 40 Gbps signaling speed. On the left side of the laptop, there is one AC smart pin for AC power input, one USB Type-A port which supports 5 Gbps signaling speed, one mic or earphone headphone combo, and there is also an optional SD slot. We can use USB Type-A ports for HP Sleep and Charge. We can also use USB Type-C ports for HP Sleep Charge and also for the display ports. This laptop comes with 4-cell 70 Wh lithium-ion polymer battery with HP Fast Charge. We can charge 50% of the laptop battery with 30 minutes. The battery weighs 280 grams. Power for this laptop is 200 watt smart AC power adapter. This laptop comes with one AC smart pin on the left hand side of the laptop. HP Victus comes with fully functional keyboard specially used for gaming with enlarged touchpad. Keyboard also has numeric keypad. We also have HP ImagePad Precision Touchpad. Upgrade for this laptop is maximum we will be able to upgrade to 16 GB memory and 1 TB, which is the maximum SSD storage supported for this laptop. There is one multi-format SD media card reader which you can use for external storage. Operating system for this laptop will be Windows 11 Home Edition, which will be the standard bundled operating system for this laptop. Body of this laptop comes with recycled plastic, which weighs approximately 2.3 kilograms. HP Victus comes with single color, which is Performance Blue with Chrome logo. Warranty for this laptop will be 1 year standard, which includes 1 year of parts and labor and 1 year of on-site repair. You will be able to extend the warranty up to 3 years. HP Victus also comes with i7 processor. Check out the HP website for more information. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please subscribe and share the video. Thank you and take care.